It's a 2014 Ford Explorer. The adventure starts where the pavement stops in this capable SUV. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, manual telescoping steering column, wireless phone connectivity, AM/FM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, fold-into floor seat, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive writes, for many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call, click, or stop into Milton Ruben Toyota. We're easy to find at 3510 Washington Road in Augusta, Georgia.